stay with an ounce of dro. My nigga keep a swisher roll, and we breaking down some more. I ain't always cheap for folk. If you blew one with me, you know I owe you. I'm in love with the weed aroma, treats my anxiety and paranoia. You say you got that across the border? ASAP, I'ma need the place in order. Put it on the scale, make sure it's a quarter. You know them dope boys that try and short you. The best buds are from Colorado, beautiful palm trees in California. Weed is legal in Nevada, but they'll smoke you in Arizona. I've been a leader way back since I was little, and I always been a loner. So you niggas and bitches talk all of the shit you want, and I'ma sip this Arizona. Marijuana keeps me conscious, focused, relaxed and cautious. Heals me every time I'm nauseous. Feels so wonderful and awesome. I'm not an advocate of people using drugs. If I was, I'd endorse it. Stimulation for your endorphins. I bet I make a fortune. I'm just a smoker, but I'm trying to change my ways. Cause at the end of the day, somebody's gotta get paid. I sit back and reminisce on all of the money that I blazed. We had a great time, but some of it should've been saved. But it's all good, even though it wasn't all good. We still lived it up, big dreamers from a small hood. My mother went to prison, it wasn't nothing new to me. My daddy took a sin, and he was getting used to me. The feds hit the spot and locked up all the real niggas. My brother lost his mind, and I just couldn't deal with it. I had to find a way to cope. I had to choke. All I do is smoke. 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 And I made Newport a rich man. 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 All because peer pressure in my life's where it began. Plus stresses on the mind can weigh on a man. All lessons realized with no helping hand. Cold sweats all through the night with my cigarette. And I know what's wrong from right, but still here I stand. Perfectly imperfected as only I am. But I gotta win this fight, and I know I can. But I'm addicted to the light of that purple bag. All I do is smoke. 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 Smoke.
Made a lot of people rich, blowing all that piff. Call them in the morning, at night, do it again. I'm just blowing in the wind, don't know where I am going. When I am without it, shit, it helps me focus. Money wasn't the motive, painting the bigger picture. Look at how my brush is stroking. Smoking it so hot, sizzling and ashing. For that they call me classless, but they had me backwards, I'm just ahead of the fashion. For all the people hating, wish I had a big ass to kiss. Fat lips burnt, I was unconcerned. My cool was controlled by the herb. No bastards working my nerves, just backheads working the curves. Words, and this is nothing but the truth. Confessions from my smoking room. Me and my dudes, me and my bitches, getting lifted, gifted at painting the picture vivid before the smoke is clearing.
All I do is smoke. 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 All I do is smoke.